In India, the summer monsoon is a lifeline, normally arriving over the Kerala coast on June 1st. In 2026, however, the wait was anxious. After a revised forecast, it finally arrived on June 4th, but its progress proved alarmingly weak. By mid-June, a rainfall deficit of nearly 40% left fields parched, raising fears of a below-normal season. The primary driver is thousands of miles away, El Nino, a climate pattern of unusually warm Pacific Sea surface temperatures. After scientists saw this warming escalate in mid-May 2026, the U.S. NOAA officially declared an El Nino by early June. This event disrupts atmospheric patterns worldwide, critically weakening India's monsoon winds. But El Nino isn't the only villain in this story. In 2026, it has allies. First, a weak Madden-Julian oscillation, that crucial pulse of rain and clouds, has failed to give the monsoon a push. There's also a lack of the low-pressure systems needed to pull the rain inland. And to make matters worse, a neutral Indian Ocean dipole means there is no countervailing force to help. It's a perfect storm of negative conditions. Of course, this isn't the first time India has faced this kind of threat. If we look at the historical record, a trend appears. About half of all El Nino years have led to monsoon droughts, such as the severe ones in 1987, 2002, and 2015. But the connection isn't a simple one-to-one rule. The very strong El Nino of 1997, for example, did not cause a drought, thanks to the influence of other climate factors. This history shows just how complex and truly difficult to predict the monsoon system really is. The consequences of a weak monsoon are immense. With over half of India's farmland being rain-fed, it threatens agricultural output and food security. This leads to severe rural distress for millions of farmers, drinking water shortages as reservoirs deplete, and higher food prices for everyone. The 2026 monsoon is a stark reminder of India's vulnerability to global climate patterns.